Welcome back to English Practice PB. I am Leo. Are you afraid to speak English? Do you think English is very hard? Please do not worry. You are not alone. Many people in India, Japan, and Korea feel the same way. But today, we will change that. We will learn together, step by step, using very easy words. I am here to help you, and we will do this like two close friends talking. Let us start our beautiful journey today. Think about your day. You wake up early in the morning. What do? You open your eyes. You look at the sun. In English, you can say, "Good morning." This is a beautiful phrase. It brings a big smile to your life. Then you get out of bed. You go to the bathroom. You wash your face with cool water. You feel so good and fresh, right? Next, you brush your teeth. These are simple things we do every single day. After that, it is time for breakfast. Do you like tea or coffee? I love a warm cup of tea in the morning. Repeat after me. I love a warm cup of tea in the morning. You can say, I drink tea, or I eat bread. See, these sentences are very short and easy. You do not need big words to speak English well. You just need to practice every day. Now, let us talk about work or school. You put on your clothes, you take your bag, then you leave your home. You walk to the bus stop or the train station. On the way, you see your friends or co-workers. What do you say to them? You can say, "Hello, how are you?" It is so simple, but it makes people happy. When they answer, you can just smile and say, "I am good, thank you." During a day, you do your work. Sometimes you feel tired. That is okay. You can take a small break. You can talk to a friend. You can say, "Let us have lunch together." Eating lunch with friends is always fun. You talk, you laugh, and you enjoy your food. In the evening, you come back home. You feel relaxed. You take off your shoes. You sit on the sofa. You can say, "I am home." This feels so peaceful. You watch some TV or you listen to music. You spend good time with your family. You eat dinner together. You talk about your day before you go to sleep. You can practice one small thing. Look in the mirror, smile, and say to yourself, you did a good job today. When you go to bed, you turn off the light and you say good night. Look at that. We just talk about a whole day using very simple and clean English words. You can pronounce every word here very easily. There are no hard words. If you practice these small sentences every day, your English will become very good, very fast. Did you like this video? Please tell me in the comments. I want to hear from you. Thank you for watching English Practice PB. I am Leo and I am always here for you. See you in the next time. Take care.